this is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you KT tape for the base of the skull. This can help with headaches, especially when you are on your own and can't do the more complicated taping patterns. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. All you need is a 5-inch eye strip of KT tape. First step is to clean and dry the skin. You can use soap and water, alcohol wipes for the skin, or hand sanitizer without the moisturizer. You are going to tear the backing right down the middle and peel it back, leaving the paper backing on the bases like so. Once the tape is to its max stretch, reduce that by half and repeat to get the tape to about 20 to 25% of tension. The hard part is applying the tape. Go over your head and apply the middle of the tape to the spine here. It goes just under the hairline or as close as you can get, depending on your hairline. Make sure all the little hairs are out of the way, trust me. Once the middle of the tape is stuck down, remove the backing on the bases and apply gently, and then the other one. The last step is to rub it to activate the adhesive. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.